Hi, my name is John Merna. I'm an attorney in Virginia Beach, Virginia. I practice bankruptcy and family law. We also have offices in Newport News, Virginia. Today's question is, how do I rebuild after bankruptcy? That's a complicated question, and many attorneys would have different opinions on how that could happen. But the primary mechanism to rebuild is getting new reporting to occur on your credit report. Now, assuming that all the reporting has been shut down because you've included the debt in your bankruptcy, it's going to require you to get new reporting. Sometimes you may have reaffirmed on a debt. I'm not going to go into an explanation of what reaffirmation is in a bankruptcy, but if your attorney mentions it to you, reaffirmation basically will restart the reporting on that debt that you reaffirmed on. But like I said, the primary mechanism for rebuilding your credit is getting new reporting onto your credit report. This can occur by getting a new credit card or credit line through creditors. Now that can be difficult because you have a bankruptcy on your record, and many stores, banks will not extend credit immediately until you've showed some pattern of rebuilding. So it may be possible for you to get a secured card. It's a secured credit card where basically you put down some small amount of money and your credit limit is based on the amount you've put down. And then basically the idea would be to use it sparingly and pay back in payments. Not to use $100 on the credit card and then pay back $100, but to use the $100 and pay back $20 a month in order to show monthly on your report that you're paying on time, and slowly adjust the balance up on that credit card so that you're showing higher credit limits and a steady history of repayment. This is the first mechanism. The more secured credit cards, 3 or 4 of those, basically reporting is going to help you. You constantly work that where you ask the credit issuing company to increase your balance and reduce the secured amount to the point at some point where it's unsecured altogether. They do not ask you to put down an amount to secure your credit. You will also be monitoring your score, basically a FICO score, which is the primary mechanism for determining how good or bad your credit is, will slowly adjust as you show that credit history. By watching that, you can see how well it's working for you and how well it's being done. So I recommend that you make rebuilding a 2-year project after your bankruptcy, checking your credit possibly every 6 months, attempting either to find new credit sources to use sparingly in order to rebuild your credit, but not to overdo it or to rely at all on it as a safety net. All right? Hopefully this helps you understand a little better about rebuilding, and I thank you for joining us today.